Yeah. We downloaded some games last night. Come to find out, the internet I got is not gone. It's not up to par, so we got to get the internet people in there. Well, I did get the internet people in there, and they told me that my shit was only running 10 bits per second, bro. 10 bits per minute or some shit. What I need, it needs to run 400 bits per minute. So I got to go back to the drawing board and go to AT&T and buy, like, the cell phone box. Like, the box that, you know what I'm saying? That got, like, its own phone number and stuff like that. Like, the actual, like, cell phone, not hardwired. Hardwire is gone, bro. I thought that was the way to go. I thought it would be more stable, but it's not. It's slower. So, it is what it is. We got to go to AT&T and get it done. That's how we're going to do things. Look at this snow bunny. Look at her prance. He out here working out. I'm harassing her. Look at that mom. She doing that shit on purpose, boy. I'm about to take a slow mo. I ain't gonna be the creep at the park, bro. I ain't gonna be the creep at the park, bro. It's giving creep, bro. But she know what the fuck she doing, bro. She doing it on purpose. She start jogging till she got right there. Kirby, they so goofy, bro. You should have put some lotion on.
I was trying to look for lotion. I swear to God, I was trying to look for lotion.
Bruh, if the lotion would have, if it was a snake, it would have bit you in the face. It's right there on the sink.
It wasn't there. I swear to God, it was.
Bruh, that's where I got mine from. I didn't put nothing on my legs. In my defense,
You just put nothing on your arms.
I did, bruh. That's just fresh out the shower, bro. I'm a nigga, bro. I'm a dude, bro. I ain't trying to be all cute and shit. That cute shit for you niggas. I'm a real one, bro. I ain't.
Moisturizer got nothing to do with being cute.
You trying to be cute, nigga, for what? What's her name?
What if I'll just fall back? You gonna save me?
Yeah. I'm gonna throw one of these in there. One of the sticks from the gimbal. Can y'all see it? One of the sticks from the gimbal. It's like right here. Zone. See? Can y'all see it? Right there. Get them together. Chilling at the park, man. They pulling up.
You think the last ones I had was better than these ones?
What'd you say?
You think the last ones I had like the other ones better than these ones? I think this is.
What'd you say?
I like the other ones better.
What'd you say? Your lemon joggers. You think you cute, nigga? Supermodel.
Oh my God.
Supermodel Kurt.
Keep recording my knees.
You got hit by the water?
Yeah, why?
Man, I keep it copacetic, man. Huh? I'm finna start buying more expensive clothes. A lot of my mentors said I need a fucking look the part.
Yeah. Oh, you like wearing like retro.
What's wrong with retros, man?
Like, no, that's cool, but at the same time, you need to be dressed like not even average. You be wearing khakis.
But I know how to put that shit
like,
on.
you look like you're broke. You dress like you're broke. I don't think you're broke. Are you?
Compared to where I want to be, yeah. Fucking peasant.
Yeah, you dress like a peasant. You dress like, I don't know.
So
you
I need
dress
to
how you used to dress. It's like, you know, like I said, you know, like it's like you don't really care like no more. Like you don't know anything. Sometimes you'll try, but sometimes you're like, dang.
He said, dang. But
Sorry,
yeah.
bro. I guess you were bad with a bad vibe.
I'm gonna go back to the
Wait,
gym.
bro.
Oh, you think she trying to make? She want me to come get on?
I'm not talking about the little kids. I'm talking about her.
Who her? With the man, I don't know. They all want me, son. They might not shit, but in my world, they do.
I was live last night.
On Twitch,
I was live like,
you was watching video.
I was watching Aaron the Plumber video.
Did anybody join?
It was like 15 people or something.
Anybody subscribe?
No, you gotta set your subscribe thing. You ain't did that. Right? I was pretty much just streaming through there, and it was just showing up on Twitch. Wasn't nobody gonna subscribe. Like, you gotta set how much you want your subscribe thing to be. You gotta set your goal. You gotta raise somebody's channel. You gotta do like, but you gotta set like how much your subscription will cost. For now, you should only make it like $1.
Yeah.
Ain't nobody finna pay $6.
What do they?
Watch somebody
But
don't
you
know.
could see it. But
Huh?
you could see. But you could see it without subscribing, can't you? But you gotta have special content just for your subscribers too.
Probably. I don't know how Twitch works. I'm gonna be honest.
Can't you Twitch outside?
Huh?
Like, can I open up Twitch now?
Like a phone, yeah.
I be seeing Cotton be
Yeah, they be outside.
leaving the house and shit.
It's not gonna be as good. Like they content be so blurry when they be outside the house. I guess you really gotta have a camera for that. Like not a phone. You should. I told you to get a camera.
I'm gonna get a camera.
I'm finna get a camera though. My cousin Theory, I'm finna get me a camera. So I can take pictures.
Anyway, with that being said,
How you say it?
we are vibing, man. We just out here chilling. This might not be the best or the most spectacular vlog, bro, but I had to get something out. I got to get rid of this content blockage that I got. So, it is what it is. We're doing what we got to do. You dig? Doing what we got to do. She jogging like right here. She got the